In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a theme in Google Slides, a handy technique that allows you to maintain consistency and brand identity across all your presentations. All you need to start is a new slide deck or an existing presentation where you want to develop your theme. To get things rolling, open Google Slides. You can do this by navigating to File, then New, and selecting Google Slides. If you're working from an existing presentation, go ahead and open that file. When you start a fresh file, you'll have the option to choose a starting theme or a blank slate. Feel free to choose whichever suits your needs. Now, let's dive into the theme builder, which is where the magic happens. Up at the top menu, you'll see an option labeled Slide. Click on that and then select Edit Theme. Alternatively, you can also access this by clicking View, then choosing Theme Builder. Once you're in, you'll notice a pane on the left with a list of slide layouts. The very top slide is your master slide, or the theme, and beneath it are different layouts like Title Slide, Section Header, and Title and Body. Let's begin customizing your master slide, which is the foundation of your theme. By clicking on this topmost slide, any adjustments made here will trickle down to all subsequent layouts. You can start by setting a solid color, gradient, or even an image as your background through the Background option. This is also the best time to insert your company logo or any fixed branding elements you deem necessary. To ensure textual consistency, choose your default fonts for titles, subtitles, and body text. Additionally, you can tailor your theme colors, including text color, accent colors, and hyperlink colors to blend with your brand. Once the master slide is set, it's time to refine those individual layouts beneath it. Click on each one, such as Title and Body or Section Header, and fine-tune them to meet your specific needs. This can involve moving or resizing any placeholders, adding unique design elements like shapes or images, and even renaming layouts for clarity. Adjusting these individual slides ensures each one complements the master design while offering the flexibility you require. After making all these edits, it's crucial to rename your theme. While still in the theme builder, click on the theme's name, which you'll usually find at the top, and rename it to something that's meaningful to you, like My Company Brand Theme. This easy step will help you quickly identify and apply the theme in future presentations. When you're satisfied with your theme, exit the theme builder by clicking the X or closing the theme editing view. Remember, your edits are automatically applied across your slides. To make sure you can reuse your theme in other presentations, you have a couple of options. You might create a copy of this file using it as a template for new presentations. Alternatively, in a new slide deck, navigate to Slide, then change Theme, and choose Import Theme to bring in the file you've just customized. By following these straightforward steps, you'll efficiently create a branded, cohesive presentation theme ready to impress at your next meeting.